Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Nandini, software engineer working at LystCRM, welcoming you all for this evening. Thanks for joining. Today we are all here gathered to talk about our new feature called LystCRM and how does it helps growing teams. So let's all talk about it. So that's why we are gathered here. So in a traditional CRM, which is available in the market, we it comes with basically complex features, but we end up using a very few feature. This is the idea behind the list CRM. So it is like mostly customized for your field and sales team, and it helps to incorporate all the customization for your team, and that is in a mobile first. So hence the title we have a smart, simple mini CRM for growing teams. So what are we discussing about in this 30 minutes? What are we going to do is we will be knowing what a CRM, plus CRM basically is, and we will discuss about the sales team challenges in what is missing in a traditional CRM and how it is getting overcome by List CRM. And I will give you a walk-in through the features where you can feel free to like what is next kind of a thing you will get to know, and we will discuss all your queries and that will be answered here in Q&A session, and then we will be wrapping up. Pretty much we will be doing this for the next 30 minutes. So to know what is List CRM. List CRM is one of the built-in CRM which comes in ListLock application itself. This will help you to manage your leads, customers basically through a mobile phone. This will help you to organize the data, knowing what is there, where is it, each and every single visit of whatever the history you do, you will get to know everything. So we are using different apps for different reasons, but that can be overcome here because you have so many things recorded here. Every single transaction will help you to know the history of each and every customer visit or lead, anything. So this is mostly like you can customize your own form and build new modules how you want for your own particular team. So what is new in ListLock? You have been using a few things in ListLock, which is like you have location-based attendance, live tracking, reports, and by adding CRM, ListLock becomes one all-in-one solution which streamlines all your sales and field operations. It simplifies your basic end-to-end strategy that you know what is happening with each and every user, that is your team, and it helps you to understand the process what is next. So this helps you to do so. So hence the ListLock becomes one all-in solution for all your operations. Okay, in order to know what would be better for your team, we need to understand what is the struggles faced. What is the common challenge faced by one growing team? I have few things, but if anyone has anything that your team specifically needs, please free to enter those values or your valuable challenges, whatever you guys feel. This might be in a big thing in my team, just in chat box. So the common challenges I have to talk about is we have different apps used for different reasons, like attendance, they enter attendance in one, their tracking is happening in another place, another application, and the report generation is happening in another place. Likewise, you have so many tools, and those are all disconnected from each and everything, where you don't have what is related to what basically. This is leading to knowing it is missing out. So your data is basically scattered in different places. And also, this is not automated manual process where you have to keep on assigning tasks. It is repetitive. We can just automate it by doing by different data in different place. We don't know what is happening with your resource or data. So we don't know what is happening with a person. For instance, you have a team member of yours where they're visit is cancelled or their meeting is cancelled, but the manager will not be notified at the same time. It takes some time to the user or your team member to inform manager the time is reduced and hence the productivity is down. So this will not help us to do follow up. We miss the opportunity where it can be. And a field team, where are they? What are they doing? All these monitoring, very difficult to do things. So what does a traditional CRM miss us out? This is not for your team, basically. It is not tailor-made for your own team. And there are so many complex features in one single app, and you don't use every single app at one single time, or maybe something which we will not be using at all. And one other important thing is like there are too many apps you use for too many things, for attendance in one, productivity tracking in one, report in another one. Where does your all money goes? By doing so many things. Having so many applications without a flexibility, you end up paying a lot. All this CRM basically has a manual entry where the user has to enter the value at the end of the day, where you don't know what is the real time insights, what is happening the entire day. We get only updates in the end of the day. So the key, we know what is the challenges faced by sales team, what is happening within a traditional CRM, how does a list CRM give solution to all these things? It is very simple that ListBlock already has a live attendance, location-based attendance, task management, leave management, CRM, data analytics, reports, everything is there in one place where you get to know there is no place of scattered data. You will know everything together, which will actually boost your productivity. This is all automated where there is no manual entry and you get to know what is happening like accurately right now, what is the moment happening. It is very easy to know where is your team, what are they doing, what are the tasks, why are they there. And if someone is ideal, it is very easy to find out. There is one module or you end up paying a lot of money for some CRM where it is like rigid, where you can't do any customization for yourself. In that case, you go to that particular CRM, say them that what is your problem, raise a ticket, wait for some time where one developer team comes in picture, makes your things fixed, what it takes like weeks to do so. Here in minute, you can customize your own modules. By doing all these things, we give an corporate, like this comes in a very affordable price for a growing team. This is one-stop solution really for many growing teams. So I will take you through all the walk-in of a few features in our List CRM. Basically, the product you will get to know. So they will, if anyone has a suggestion of what kind of a module you want, how can it be better for your own team, you guys, you are, please feel free to just let me know what you want to create. This can be completely customized for your own company, where what kind of a field you want, what is needed for you. This is how you, as an admin, you set it up. Anyone, anything, suggestion, what your team wants, I can show you that, or I can have a basic form. It's up to you. Anyone? Okay, so I have a basic form where in every user, whenever they do some task or I just want to assign them, I have basic things like name, location, who am I assigning to owner, and all these are predefined fields where you can just drag and drop them, and admin can do this, and who want to see what is their role, what are they going to do when all the permissions comes in picture, and this is how a custom made module for your own company can be created. Oops, sorry. The list CRM comes with couple of built-in modules, which may be or may not be useful for you. If in case of it is not useful for you, then you can even again customize them as however you want. The task management is basically done using the task. So this is a default task.
Yes,
This
hi,
comes
hi,
with
Anantani.
making, yeah,
Hi,
yeah.
Anantani.
Hi, Sanjay. Yes, Sanjay, you have something to say? Okay. So this is a basic task management where we have basic details like who are we going to meet, where are we going to meet, what are we going to talk, anything that can be written here, and each and every task can be created and it can be maintained. I have a couple of tasks created or distributed among my team, so those details are here, and this is how a task can be created, assigned to who, and every single assignee gets a notification that when a task is assigned to them, so that they are informed what has to be done. Pretty much like complete walkthrough of how can customization has been done or what can be expected can be done here. I'm open for all the questions, whatever you have, or I guess Sandeep can ask me any question now.
Yeah, actually, I have
Yes.
suppose example, I want to capture leads from digital landing also, digital marketing or social media related. I got a lead
Okay.
generate, right? In that cases, I want to capture that leads to one
Mhm.
place, and I want to manage my call centers, and
Okay.
parallelly, and that lead flow also assigned to our sales team, to field managers, sales manager, and he visit the client. That flow I want to. That is one product. Is so many questions there. Suppose we
Mhm.
have 10 questions, 10 product, right? Example, we have home loan product. Home loan and product related is more than 25 question answer is there. More than
Yeah.
30, I think. In that cases, what we do?
So you have the lead generated as an CSV file or is it's an Excel, right? Sandhya?
Sorry?
You have this lead generation. How are we managing it? It is like any file you have, or
No,
it
no,
is just a raw
I'm
data.
asking you scratch level. I'm a scrap in this company. I want to scratch level. I'm asking you. I don't have any system. I want to then manage all leads to your CRM. Then how that is possible for in your CRM? Yeah, you have basic few question options there.
Yes, we can do, but to know more about it, I will answer this. I'll let the team to answer you. Maybe we can do a
Think,
trial demo.
after you complete finish you this session and somebody also contact me, then
Ah,
I
sure.
discuss that later. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
fine.
sure, sure.
Continue. Please continue.
Okay. We are open for all the questions. Anyone? Hi, Praveen. Yes, you are welcome to ask any questions. Yes, drop your questions, please.
I think nobody is there right now. Please continue this.
Okay, but Praveen was asking for something, but I
Okay.
didn't expect.
Okay.
Okay. If any questions? No, no, Praveen, we couldn't hear you completely. I'm just answering you through the chat which you are posting. Uh, no voices from your end. Sorry. Okay.
Hi Praveen, this is Parthiban from engineering team. I'm the director of engineering team. I got your question that you are asking. Will be able to get the data from Tally? Yes, we are releasing our public API soon. Using our API, you can able to write a script that can push your Tally data into the CRM.
Thank you, Pratibhan.
Yeah, yeah. Sure, Praveen. We can have a discussion from our sales team. Probably they will be in touch with you to discuss more about either the Tally integration and also more about the CRM. We will be able to explain.
Okay. So, for anyone to know more about LystCRM, you are feel free to have message as interested in chat box. We will set up demo for you. And there is also exciting news that we will have another demo tomorrow at 11:30. For everyone who has joined here, you will be receiving an invitation where you can just connect there. You will get a complete product demo of List CRM, how does it works, and each and every single feature about it will be getting discussed there. Yeah, if you're interested, you can post it here in chat box. At the same time, if you want, you can join tomorrow's demo also, where you will get to know even more things. Yeah, that's all. We are wrapping up for the day. So, yeah,
Yes,
thank
Nandini, we
you.
can give some time for the questions. Probably we'll wait
Okay.
for a few minutes for the questions, if at all anything. I could see a couple of them joined late. Anyone would
Oh,
like
okay.
to, yeah, anyone would like to know more about LystCRM, we are happy to go back to the slide and explain more. Just ping us in the comment box so that we will know. Okay. Nandini, probably you can go back to the slide exactly what is LystCRM, how to create a module.
Okay.
Okay. Probably a couple of them as requested.
Okay. Okay. So, List CRM is basically a CRM which is available in the ListLock app. So List CRM will help you to simplify the lead and contact management in your sales and field team through a mobile application. So this List CRM basically helps you to customize what is required for your own team. New modules can be built, or the form details, whichever has to be changed for you. Everything can be customized from end to end. So the lead management here is like the lead customer. You have everything when a user visit, or when a field person visits a customer, they get to know what is happening. The managers instantly get to know what is happening with the visit, what is it happening, what is they are doing there, how long they stayed, kind of a thing. Everything is organized under one solution, which is to simplify it. So the List CRM helps you to do all these things. What is there in ListBlock is an application which comes with uh, live live tracking, and then you get to know the attendance, task management, lead management, and then the CRM reports, data analytics. Everything comes together. Along with it, we have an additional this List CRM also. This is to streamline all your sales and field operations. So this is about the challenges faced by a growing team. We have several apps to do several functions, hence the data is scattered among the places. And in order to know a simple data, we have to go through several applications to know whether the person is there, working, not, a lot of things. Manual processes like keep on doing the same process several times, like task management. You assign a task to a person, or the person gives back you what is happening. This is complete slow process where everything has to be entered by a person, man force is involved. And along with that, when at the end of the day, someone is giving all the report at last, there might be something missed, or you don't know at what time what happened. So we get to know what is happening in the real time data also. The follow up is difficult when you don't know what is happening with each and every individual. So the monitoring lags, and hence the productivity goes down. These are the common challenges we face, like us common sales team faces. uh, we may be using traditional CRMs, which is rigid in nature. It is not filled for any field team. How a field team uses it is not in that way. It is a complex application with so many features. And we may use one or two features, but there is a lot of it which we don't use. We don't have a proper attendance tracking, everything together in one single application, which will reduce the tracking of the productivity. Paying for so many apps for different many reasons, it is expensive. At the same time, it is not that flexible how your team wants it. By doing a manual entry for each and every item of whatever they did, the entire data, it is delaying and it is not a productive thing to do. By not having an accurate real side, like accurate real time data where your employee is, what are they doing, we can't make some decisions like what to do next. For instance, there is one customer who canceled the meeting at the last minute. Your field team will be idle for the time until or otherwise the manager gets notified about their being idle and then coming back. These are all the things which is missing in a traditional CRM. With all the challenges, the features which is missing out in a traditional CRM, how can that be bridged by LystCRM is where LystCRM plays a major role that it is made for a field team. The simple feature is to the simple feature will boost the productivity, like you know where your employee is, what are they doing, and how is it happening. By list log, you get to know the live location, what are they doing, what is the task progress and all. By knowing that, the manager can add an additional task, or know what is happening. By doing all these things, the productivity is actually improving. And there is no manual entry which will also do this. Without someone interpreting what is happening, we get to know the real time data. By so, we know what to do next. We are good with what is happening and we will know what to do next. This is completely customizable for each and every user, where an admin can do whatever the changes they want. By doing so, this will be a tailor-made fit for your own field, and it is not based on any random field, or it is not just on a survey basis. It is only for your team. You made it happening. The competitive price which is given for all these solutions together is also affordable. So the list CRM is one big piece of list log which will help you to keep everything in track at the same real time. So we have a demo tomorrow at 11:30. Maybe we can join there
Uh,
for yeah. Go
Nandini,
ahead.
1 second. Can you create a simple module to show us the audience, right, how that it works? Can you create a scenario where probably many of the on-field companies, right, they would have the service request. Can you create a service
Okay.
request module?
Sure.
The general fields, right, probably a description
No,
about,
yeah, you
yeah.
can name whatever the things
Mhm.
which is needed, and I will create it according. Okay. So you want one description field to say
Yes.
what is the service request.
Hmm.
Okay. This is about what is the request is about. You want it to be mandatory? They have to give some description, something like
Yeah,
that to
yeah,
you?
yes, yes.
Okay.
And I have to assign this to someone, right? So assigned to is already there.
Assigned to this day. Yeah.
Probably the date where I have to go and meet the person to do the
Okay.
service.
We'll go
Yeah.
for date and time together so that you said
Okay.
it's a meeting, right? So date and time for I will meeting time.
Okay.
Okay. You want some reminder that at this particular time you want a reminder that
Yes.
there is a meeting.
Yes. Yes. Because I would
Hmm.
be reminded right when before the meeting. That will
Are
be
you
helpful.
going to meet this person on a regular basis,
No,
like
because it's
for
a
5 days?
service. Yeah,
Okay.
it's a service request coming, right? So it's not a recurring event.
Okay.
You can also create a
And
status of it. Right? I need to see the status of the service request.
okay. So
Yeah, probably
that is also
initially it would be assigned. Okay, the service
okay.
request is create. I would assign to somebody. Pending completed would be
Okay, got it.
that is completed.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Probably
Hmm.
not done. Some status like the service is not done.
Cancel.
Cancel. Yes.
And I add another one to say that this is in a pending state.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have added all the options whichever you want, and I don't want this option 4. So I'm
Yes.
removing it. And again,
Some, yes.
you want the location to be added, or where
Yeah.
is this
Probably
going to
location is
sit?
already there. Yes. You can save
Yeah.
this module and create one service request.
Okay, got it. Is it for all your permissions? Are you going to set for someone? I'm setting
Hmm.
it for everyone
Yeah. This module is available. Typically, like, this module is available for everyone. Now,
now.
this
Okay.
like whatever the part you done was the part of admin, creating a
Yeah.
module and setting up the module. So from here, as a user, or the probably there would be a manager who is handling the service request. Right? They would be creating a request like manually.
So as an user, I am creating the request. So this is by me. I have a couple of
Okay.
I wanted for tomorrow at the same time.
Okay. I need a reminder
Okay.
probably 2 hours before.
2 hours. Anything else?
Nothing. That's it.
Okay. Any location to be added?
Probably some location you can assign. Yeah.
Okay. This location already
Okay.
created.
You can select the first one, Delhi location.
Okay, got it.
Fine.
So I have raised the request.
Sure.
I've inputted
Then
all the details.
yeah,
And
thanks Nandini for creating this. Probably we'll go for the questions if at all anything because we have
yeah, we are over
presented.
time.
Yeah, yeah. No, no, it's like we have presented right how to create a module and how a real-time case can be solved immediately. Just 2 3 minutes, right? We have created a module and we have our records. Right? Probably we'll go for the questions if anything.
Okay.
We'll answer it.
Nandini, hello.
Yes, Pratik.
Yeah, can you just create one sales module also?
Yes,
Sales.
Pradeep, you can create a sales module. You can
Hmm.
decide your, probably I will say it's a simple example is like an Excel sheet. Like
Okay.
however you are having a columns, what is the
Hmm.
data type you're going to store? If it is a
Okay.
number, you can have a number. If it is a string, you can have a string. It's a list of
Okay.
users, you can have a list of users. Kind of a select
Okay.
option. Like how you maintain, you can exactly create the same fields here in list CRM.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Now
so
tell
we
me.
have 17, 18 different field types like
Okay.
location, date
Okay.
time, select
Huh.
box, radio button. By
Huh, huh.
using that, you can create the combination, the module, whichever you are looking for.
Okay, means just we are talking about the this you have just shown the service module, right?
Yeah,
In service module, do we have the option of means we do sign the service agreements with our customers?
okay.
So we can do something in this software. I mean, just to remind for the reminder calls for the customers as well as the our field staff.
Yeah, see, let's say your field staff is visiting the
Uh,
your customer and they are getting the service level agreement signed. They can
uh,
take a picture and attach it here and
uh,
say that it is completed. But we don't
okay,
have something like signing in within the application is not available. But
okay, okay.
because anyway,
Can,
that is going
can
to be your paper material, right? They can
I
attach the
got it.
document here and says that this
Okay.
is completely done.
Okay. Is it possible,
Yeah.
means after completing the job, can we send the SMS to the customer?
Yes, it is an integration. Like with this list CRM, we are planning for couple of integration like WhatsApp integration, SMS, and sending a campaign, newsletters to your
Mhm.
customers. Like this kind of an automations, we are trying to add it to list CRM, which is in our pipeline, which will be very soon
Okay.
will be live. With that option, you
Okay.
can do it.
Okay. I got it, sir. Thank you.
Sure. Thanks, Pradeep.
Hi, Yuvraj. Same
Yeah.
question. Last few minutes
Yes,
back, I'm
Sandeep.
asking one question for Nantani.
Okay.
Nantani,
Hmm.
actually we are from fintech background,
Okay.
digital aggregator actually. I
Hmm.
think I am from earlier. I am from Urban Money. I
Okay.
think I am also your old client long back,
Okay.
1.5 years
Okay.
back. I'm using this model, everything that tracking
Okay.
and so many things. We
Okay.
have used in right.
Okay.
So I'm
Hmm.
asking you that time I'm using your services few months. After
Yeah.
that, I'm facing something I want to something different added, but that time not possible to that for that specific my requirement actually. That's when I'm
Hmm.
go out.
Hmm.
So I discuss right now later. Somebody is to
Sure.
contact me, your salesperson, anybody, or any developer.
Sure,
Personally,
Sandeep.
anybody call me, arrange a call, then I discuss what happened that time. And
Okay.
what I am requiring right now is this is actually I want to lead generation, lead capturing also there is suppose loan,
Yeah.
suppose
See.
anybody applying a loan to my website, my all social media account, to suppose personal loan and business loan, home loan, well, all type of lead journey also we generate here, lead flow.
Lead gen. We have a leads module, Sandeep. So you want your
Mm-hmm.
external data to come inside List CRM. You need that integration. Okay. Sooner we are going to release this public APIs for our List CRM where you can write your or you can have your integration. You can create your own integration. Getting the data from your website, you can push the data into List CRM. So this is fully
Okay.
automated from your website.
Mm-hmm. API suppose API you provide or I provide you. My
Now
website also pushing.
yes, we are providing that API to the public. You can consume that API, write a script because you are maintaining your lead generation, right? You have a website. You have some
Mm-hmm.
page to generate the lead. From there, you can
Mm-hmm.
send the data to List CRM.
Is a one place, right? So we want to marketing so many digital Facebook and also Instagram, so many
Okay.
social media, Google, all marketing tools. We want to generating a leads.
Yes.
India
See, in
Mart,
all the
all
marketing, yeah, yeah. In all
WhatsApp also
marketing tools, right, there are integrations available.
Mhm.
Okay, like
So
Zapier
field also increase,
integration.
right? Product wise field
Yes.
also possible, right? To manage this.
Yes. So then we will be planning for, let's say if you are coming with this case, we will do a custom integration for you. We will open up something that you can pull up the data from each and every platform, whichever you are saying that. We will open up something for you to get the data into LystCRM. But we need to discuss in detail about this, from where you are getting the data,
Yes, yeah,
how many
yeah, fine,
platform you
fine.
are using.
You finish this,
Definitely
and
will.
I want to see. Yeah, I want to somebody contact me. Then
Sure,
immediate base, we want to some urgent. We are urgently required. We discuss
sure,
some other also
sure,
institution also. We say
sure.
fine,
Team
Pradeep.
will reach you out on this.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine. Anyone else? Any questions? Probably, right? Not just a questions. Let's say you have some business related, right? You have some limitations. By this way, if you think that uh, list CRM will solve your problem, you wanted to check with an idea whether this works, this doesn't work. Probably we will help out.
Can you
Yes,
elaborate
Pradeep.
about the commercial part also little bit? Means how you people, is it a user based subscription model?
Okay. Yes, Pradeep. Pradeep, probably the this part is being handled by the sales team. I will
Okay,
have a dedicated salesperson reaching out to you immediately right after this call to explain about the
okay,
commercial, knowing the
okay,
potential. Okay, probably they
okay,
will help you.
okay. Thank
Uh, Hi, John. I just saw your message about your price changes. Yes, this list CRM is a new addition to the existing product, whatever you having. There are some subscription pricing changes. I would notify my sales team to reach out to you so that you can have a detailed conversation, because based on your need, we can modify, right? Okay, what are the features that you're looking for? We can see how it is going to work out for you. Okay.
Are we expecting any questions or let's wrap up? If anyone wants to know more about the product, let's CRM, what it does, we have a demo tomorrow at 11:30. You guys can join there.
Okay. There's one more question
Yeah,
on
they face some
kilometer.
issues.
Yes. Hi, Jayaprakash. Jayaprakash, the kilometer difference is based on multiple factors. Probably this platform will be difficult to address your issues. I'll have my customer success team reaching out to you. Could be like, because you must be an existing customer. I'll ask my customer success team to reach out to you.
Yeah.
But thanks for
So,
notifying us. We will reach out. Probably Nandini will be waiting for a minute. We'll be giving a
okay.
minute for the audience to get back if there is any questions. We're almost at the end. Yes, John, this recording will be on YouTube. The link will be shared from the team. Okay.
Jayaprakash has another thing that
Yes,
started a
Jayaprakash, I
question.
think all your questions will have a dedicated person addressing the issues or the difficulties you've been facing. Okay. I think no more questions, it seems. Yeah, he's acknowledged. Jayaprakash acknowledged. Okay, fine. I think thanks for everyone for joining, and it was a good session from our side, more interactive by creating a new module, explaining about the fields. There were good questions from Pradeep and Sandeep as well. I think List CRM will solve the on-field issues, or it would enhance whatever you already having, right? So we are trying to simplify the process what have been on-field. It was nice meeting everyone. Thanks for joining. Yes, sure, Pradeep. Tomorrow meeting will also be, meeting link will also be sent. Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.